Side. Hands above shoulder level. Hands full back stretch. Expand your chest. Don't bend your knees. Don't bend your legs. Always tighten both kneecap. Now slowly bend your upper body to right side. Take support brick with right hand. Don't bend your right knee. Krishna Reddy sir. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. తలపైకి ఎత్తాలి. పైన డంబెల్ చూడాలి. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్, లెఫ్ట్ షోల్డర్, left upper back, pull back side, Trikonasana, stay there, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.